Welcome to another topic in Step 2, Create Your Job Search Portfolio. This session shows you how to turn your accomplishments into powerful action statements. In this session, we will cover the importance of creating PAR statements, problem, action, results, from your quantified accomplishments. Your PAR statements will be used in your resume to show recruiters and prospective employers your value add to their workplace. In this session, you will learn what a PAR statement is and how it builds on the foundation of accomplishments in your job search portfolio. You will learn how to create a PAR statement from your accomplishments and how to use them as you continue to build your job search portfolio. Where are PARs used? You will use your accomplishments and PARs in every part of your job search portfolio. In your resume, your networking bio, your elevator pitch, your LinkedIn profile, and while interviewing and networking. Creation of PAR statements and quantified accomplishments are the foundation of a successful job search. What is a PAR? PAR is an acronym for Problem, Action, Result. It's a way to showcase your ability to identify and resolve a business obstacle. PAR is a format for describing your accomplishments in a story-like format that is memorable to recruiters and employers. Employers and recruiters reviewing a resume have to make a yes or no decision very quickly. We want to help you maximize the opportunity for your resume to go into their yes pile. Resumes in the yes pile get a call back for an interview. In this session, you will learn how your PAR statements help your job search portfolio by creating a consistent and positive picture of your value in the workplace. PAR statements will be valuable in your elevator pitch, your networking bio, your LinkedIn profile, your resume, and during interviews. A PAR statement is a very powerful and memorable way for you to describe your work history. Just listing your duties and responsibilities does not distinguish you from the other 100 or so people applying for the same job. Creating PAR statements from your accomplishments will make you stand out and increase your chances of getting an interview and interviewing successfully. PAR statements add memorable details to your work history. It's a fact that people will remember a story better than a list of words. Your PAR statements not only quantify your work history accomplishments, they make you easier to remember. Aim to replace all your resume job duties and responsibility bullets with bullets built from PAR statements. Creating your PARs will be much easier if you invested the time to create 20 or more quantified accomplishments. Start with one of your accomplishments. For example, increased gift shop sales by 25%. First, describe what the business obstacle or business problem was. Example, gift shop sales were falling or stagnant or not achieving goals. Next, describe your action. Example, I researched our merchandise on the internet and gathered interesting facts that could be shared with customers, and I shared all my research with the other sales associates so they could also help their customers. Finally, describe what the beneficial result was to your employer. Example, sales increased 25%. This is the formula for creating a PAR statement from your accomplishments. 1. Describe the problem. 2. Describe what action you took. 3. Show the result that benefited the company. Your problem, action, results PAR statements can also be edited for your resume. Here's an example. Our accomplishment was increased gift shop sales. We quantified that by guesstimating how much sales increased. Increased gift shop sales 25%. In our PAR statement, we described the problem. Gift shop sales were not meeting targets. In our PAR statement, we described our action. Researched our merchandise inventory on the internet to gather interesting background information and shared interesting facts about our merchandise with all the sales associates. Our PAR result was sales increased by an estimated 25%. For our resume bullet, we can edit this into a powerful work history statement. Increased sales approximately 25% by researching the background of our merchandise and sharing this with all the sales associates. You can edit your PAR statements and accomplishments into powerful resume bullets that really capture the value you brought to your job. PAR statements generally fall under several categories. Some common categories are teamwork, customer service, sales, communication, processes, and efficiency. You may find it helpful as you turn your accomplishments into PAR statements to identify a common PAR category. Use PAR categories in your resume to highlight your soft skills. PAR categories can also become good talking points in an interview. Keep working until all your accomplishments have a PAR format stating the problem, your action, and the result. Remember that your PAR statements are useful for all the elements of your job search portfolio. In your resume, they showcase your soft skills in your skills summary matrix, and they highlight your value add in your work experience, work history section. You can use your PARs and PAR categories in your networking bio to draw attention to your key achievements. Turning a PAR statement into a brief story for your elevator pitch can make it more memorable. Knowing your PAR strengths and stories will help you create a LinkedIn profile that captures the attention of recruiters and hiring managers. When you do get that interview, knowing your PAR stories will help you speak about and sell your value add to an organization. PARs even make networking easier by giving you something authentic and valuable to share with others so they can get to know you better and provide leads and referrals. This is an example of the homework for this session, Exercise 2C. It will lead you through the creation of PAR statements from your quantified accomplishments. When you have completed your accomplishments and PARs, you are ready to start your resume, the next deliverable in your job search portfolio.